Welcome to 2026 Unleash.
When you register, you'll make 3 quick selections.
First, choose your learning tour. This is where you'll explore some of Western Australia's most inspiring learning environments. Second, select your narrative group for the concurrent workshops. You'll move through sessions with the same group of delegates throughout the day.
Lastly, select your outdoor experience for Friday's session at the zoo.
Once these selections have been made, your personalised conference program will be populated and you will receive a confirmation email with your selections. Still unsure or need help? Head to our FAQ page for all the details. We can't wait to welcome you to 2026 Unleash in Perth, where imagination meets action and possibilities run wild.